What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid to read the news for free. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscriber I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And make sure you drop a comment down below. And let me know if you have any questions, comments, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, before I get into this method, please follow me on Instagram at AppGrind. If you have any questions, you can DM me. And I might give away some free money there once I get 1,000 followers. I think I'm at 284. So help me to get at least 1,000 followers over there. Okay, guys, it seems like you guys are not seeing the code word, so I'll make it more visible and I'll make it last on the screen a little bit longer, because I did this to see if you guys are going to watch the full video. So I don't know if you're not watching full video or you're just missing the code word. So I'll make it more visible and make it last long on the screen in this video. All right, without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm on Google Play and I went ahead and searched this app. It's called Buzzbreak. Now, I've talked about this app a couple of times before, but it's in the past. So I just want to go ahead and bring it up again because it's a good app that you can start making some money real quick, just doing what you're doing every day, which is reading the news. So instead of going to CNN or any of those other news stations, or even like Twitter, you can just pull up this app, read the news, and get paid. So let's just read a little bit about it right quick. So it's Buzzbreak, US News, videos, earn free cash. So let's just look at the screenshots right quick. So you got this right here. This is how it's going to look inside Buzzbreak News. And this is a person named Jen. They gave their review. They say very informative and addictive app. Love it. And you're going to earn real cash. So as you can see here, this is the real cash you're going to be earning. Here's another review. This person said it's actually paying, so they can't believe they're actually getting paid for this. And here's inside where it says cash out easily. So it just shows you where to cash out. And of course, you cash out through PayPal. Now, if you don't have PayPal, just go to paypal.com and sign up. Real easy to get an account there. And let's see what else. Okay, so that's it, guys. So let's just read a little bit more. I'm going to scroll down here. So Buzzbreak is a news app that shows you all the popular content from the internet. You can read world breaking news as well as local news. You You can find all funny videos from all over the web. You will be rewarded while doing all these activities above. So get rewarded in buzz break, reading and watching videos. So you're going to be watching videos too, guys. Daily check-in and inviting friends to join buzz break. So you can be able to invite friends and get a little incentive for that too. So Buzzbreak is one of the fastest growing community. Join millions. So it's millions on here. Millions of Buzzbreak users today. Have fun and get rewarded. So let's just scroll down here and see the rating. So out of 5 stars is 4.2, which is good. Anything over 4 stars is very, very good. And let's read down here and see what one person says. Okay, so Claire, this person says, this app is very helpful to those who are at home, needs an extra income. It's free app and truly legit. You only need patience and perseverance in getting points. I received my 4th cash out today. More cash out to come. Wow. So this person have cashed out 4 times. Have you ever heard anything like that? Of an app letting you cash out 4 times in one day? So this person is satisfied with it. They love it. They say it's legit and they're getting paid 4 times a day. So guys, that's it. That's all I'm going to say about this app. So this is a very good app. Now, like I said before, this is my 2nd or 3rd time talking about it. So guys, download this app, start reading the news, and start getting paid. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. I know I've been asking for 50 likes. I'm keep asking for 50 likes until I get it. And please drop that comment down below. If you have any questions about this app, let me know in the comments below. I definitely will try my best to answer your questions. And please look for that code word, guys. It's going to pop up in here. Look for that code word. And also share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and to become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, thanks again for your support. I really appreciate it. Keep watching. I'm going to keep dropping this content, guys. One other thing before I go. Please check out my other channel. It's called Random Reg TV. Over there, I'm giving away free money. The link will pop up here in the video. Go over there, subscribe, help me get to 2,000 subscribers, and a lucky person can win some free money. And let me tell you about another channel, Hustle, Grind, and Grow, which is kind of like my video / podcast channel. So over there, I talk about personal finance, how to increase your personal finance, and also how to become a better person for his personal development. And I also show videos that will, help you increase your income. And I put my podcast on there. So I have a podcast show, and I go ahead and sometimes I post them on my video channel so you guys can look at it there. But go check out the podcast show too. Link will be in the description and in the comments. It's called the Hustle, Grind, and Grow Show. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you again. One more thing. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get grind on, yeah.